As a member of the advisory board, I'm very honored to present the Russian American Person of the Year program. It's presented by the World Forum of Russian-Speaking Jewry with support from the American Council for World Jewry. This award strives to unify the diverse communities of Russian-speaking Americans in the United States.
If you don't talk about all that you do for Americans, they're not going to talk about you because they won't know.
The web-based voting system will allow millions in the Russian-speaking population to nominate and vote for the Russian American who's made their community proud while adding value to their new homeland.
That if there are some people that politically achieve things toward that change regions and brought peace to this earth, I would love to see them acknowledged too.
That because your contributions have been great, and we know that your sons and daughters and your grandchildren are going to contribute even more.
Community building is essential to strengthening our cities and countries by increasing civic involvement and encouraging people to work together. We enrich the strength and culture of our society. The Russian American Person of the Year program aims to achieve these goals by spotlighting and advocating the tremendous contributions that Russian Americans have made on all aspects of life in the United States.